y'all? Work on the Buick today, and I'm going to change the window regulator in the front passenger door. It shouldn't be too hard. It's just the door panel, a couple bolts, and the little slider thing. I'm going to also replace the motor, which is all part of one assembly. First things to do is get the door panel off. There's a little cover here that I already took off. It's held in by a couple clips. Gotta take the window switch out and unplug it. There's a Phillips screw here and a couple Torx bits here, and a series of clips around the perimeter of the door. The door card thing, you gotta kind of pull from the bottom this way all around and kind of slide it up and kind of slide it off of the outer door handle. Just gotta watch out because there is a speaker right here, and it's also a light. So you gotta disconnect the light and the speaker. And you kind of move everything out of the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a small flathead screwdriver. Proper tool is a little plastic spudge tool. You kind of get it underneath this plastic, kind of just gently pry up. The plastic spudge tool will help keep you from gouging out the plastic. And sometimes these are a little bit of a pain. You get the little plastic wire connection. Push in and pull that out. I'm going to need 2 hands to do that. And of course you just unscrew the screw here and the 2 screws right there and kind of gently pry on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and get that done real quick. Then I'll get back to you in just a second. Alright, so with the door panel out of the way, you kind of you'll see, well, hopefully you'll see this plastic. This plastic's not garbage. What it is a vapor barrier. As it rains, the water kind of goes up behind the door, and this helps keep all the door panel and stuff and the insulation dry, so it doesn't grow any mold or anything like that. Now, a lot of people do throw this out because it's got like this sticky glue that, you know, gets dirt on it and doesn't want to stick that much anymore. Always try to save this if you can. If not, see if you can find a new glue and kind of reinstall it. Anyway, you kind of see some of the bolts we got to get to. You got these 3 right here, this one right here, and there's a couple on the window itself, and one right here and here. So those are the bolts we got to get to, I believe. We'll have to double check. And I got a bamboo stick kind of holding the window up. Because what happened with this window regulator, it was cable driven. You got a little spool pulley on the motor itself, and you got a cable system that goes up onto the track. Well, the pulley on the motor kind of fell apart, so the cable got all caught up and everything. So I had to disconnect it and push the window up and have it held in by a piece of bamboo, just so you see some of the broken cable right here. They got held in by a piece of bamboo just so the window didn't slide back down, because I knew it was going to be a little bit of time before I was able to get around to fixing it. So anyway, let me go ahead and get the bamboo out, get these 2 bolts out, and whatever bolts that are supporting the motor, which I believe are these 3 over here. That should be about it. Then hopefully, then it should just come right out. Alright, I also gotta get the zip tie out of the way that I put in, so yeah. I'll see y'all in just a second once I get everything I need. So see y'all in just a second. A little bit of rustling around. I got the old part out. You kind of see the failure already. Looks like the cable broke off into here. And it broke right here as well, and of course the wire just got all tangled up and everything. So that's the failure. This is the new part. So All I have to do is get it in there. Now, it does look like the same. If I put it's all the same orientation. Well, at least similar enough. This is a Dorman part, so I don't know if it's. I don't think it's the OEM, but you know, it's what AutoZone had at the time, and it's got the lifetime warranty on it, so I'm not too worried. So anyway, I'm just gonna do the exact reverse and just put it back in here. So we'll see y'all in just a second. Okay, so I basically got the window regulator in, but it's not tightened down. Basically, what I did, I put the motor in first. I didn't latch it up here. I just kind of tucked it in, put it in, and I kind of went in this way with the regulator and brought it back. And I took this bolt all the way out and that bolt all the way out because they're kind of fixed. I guess technically I could have removed this bracket, but that was easier just to remove the bolt. Then just kind of slot them into the slot. So now I'm just going to tighten everything down, put the bolts in, drop the window, tighten the window up, put the electrical connection back in, and it should be done. And of course get rid of the bamboo. So let me go ahead and get that done, get the door panel back on, and I'll show you all the end results. Alrighty, so I got the window regulator in and adjusted to where it sits perfectly, and I've also ran it up and down a couple times, but I want to show you that I got it working. I think it moves pretty good too. So that's 100% a success. So now I'm just putting the door panel back on and enjoying it. So y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Both usernames will be in the description. Be safe, have fun. Don't forget to tip your waitress.